My name is Maxim. I'm from Belarus. This is a small country between Poland and Russia. I just have migrated to Australia 15 months ago. My dream in 10 years ago, it's living probably in Melbourne because it's more artistic city. And me and my wife, we are both very artistic people because I'm a sound engineer and she's a graphic designer. So it's quite difficult to find a job in our specialties in South Australia, so we're planning to move to Melbourne. South Australia is a pretty good place for living. Comparing with other states in Australia, is the price for everything cheaper, like for property, for food, for entertainment. It's a hard journey, but it's very adventurous, so I would recommend it only to people who would like to people who very attend to adventures. It's a very good opportunity to migrate, to travel, to visit Australia, and who hasn't done it yet, I would recommend to visit Australia. It's a very good place for living. First thing for me, it's an excellent climate, because in my country it's a very long and cold winter. So I love this weather, it's the most advantageous.